Kiki, that's just a sock. It's just a sock.
Look at what I'm telling you. Don't bite the dog. Do not bite the dog. Because this right here, this relationship between me and you gotta understand me. I don't want you biting the dog. Let it be the last time.
Shark, you hungry?
What I love, Nestle Crunch.
Oh, good boy, good boy. Yeah, don't look at him. Oh, come on. It's okay. It's okay.
Stop being fucking creepy.
The person who sent you this just wanted to say,
Hello, mother.
There's nothing there.
Simon!
Bandit, you're lucky that you don't have a job.
Limbani, what are you looking at? What is this? What the heck? Limbani, I told you, no more. You can't do this.
You want another one?
Anymore.
I just need you to be quiet. Could you just be quiet just for a second? Thank you.